Hey, this your boy Robiluk. As you can see, we down at a beautiful spot. This is the tidal basin. Great fishing, big fish. It's a bass haven. For those who don't know, I mean, they have some big bass in here, and hopefully I can get one to show you guys that this is one of the real kept secrets of DC. All right. As you can see, Robiluk scored again. Nice fish. What's up, y'all? This your boy Robiluk. As you can see, I got a nice fish on. And I got him on the Kevin Van Dam Sassy Strike King Sassy Shad Crankbait 1999. And I'm about to get him up and let y'all see him. Alright? As you can see, he ate it. And he got 8. Nice little chunk. That's why y'all gotta go get that shad. That herring, the blueback herring, is incredible. As you can see, a fish. What's up? This is your boy Robiluk Fishing Show, and today we at the tidal basin. I already nailed about a 2-pounder. I mean, this is one of the areas people don't even have a clue. They have smallmouth, they have largemouth, they have all type of fish in here, and it's this close to the city. This is urban fishing, and hopefully I can get a couple of big ones to show y'all. Stay tuned. We'll be right back after this commercial. Don't go nowhere. Yo, this your boy Robiluk from the Robiluk Fishing Show. As you can see, we this close from the monument, and we trying to do it big. The fish are like waiting on the tide to roll, and it should be more active. But this is a beautiful sight, and I wish more people come out here and really enjoy themselves, because it's some great fishing. I mean, from carp to largemouth, smallmouth, walleye, striper. You name it, we got it. And people need to know it's just not a tourist type visiting area, but it's some good fishing. So next time you come to DC, bring your fishing rod and the family. Come on down here, walk around, troll, and I guarantee you will hit one. Hopefully I can hit a big one so I can show you guys the size of the bass that's in here. Stay tuned. We'll be right back from my sponsors. Don't go nowhere. This is definitely not what I'm looking for, but this is a joke. What's happening, y'all? This your boy Robiluk. I'm down at the tidal basin. As you can see, I got a nice one. Nice little chunk. There you go, 2. What you gonna see in a minute. I told y'all this is one of the best kept secrets at DC, right here. Yo, this your boy Robiluk. As you can see, nice pretty Potomac bass. It may go 2. As you see, cooking. Let y'all know, nice healthy fish. About to let it go now. Be right back. Don't go nowhere. Robiluk Fishing Show. Yeah, this your boy. We back again on the tidal basin. As you can see, I'm killing with the one, but I'm gonna get a bigger one.